Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with my new releases for this week. I have a butt ton of foil and 3 kits as well as 2 foil bundles to show you. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm going to show you guys the foil bundles first. If you think I'm talking a little fast, it's probably because I am. I feel like the timing with like everything being like kind of quieter has been really hard to like nail down. So I do have 2 foil bundles this week. This one here is a mixed metal, which I love mixed metal. It's my favorite. So this is silver and gold in Twinkle, and it is so dang pretty. So you do have the little deco, you have the food and drink doodles, you have the circle icons and the date numbers, you have 6 of these which have the headers, half cut headers, and the 2 full boxes in the Twinkle pattern, the cutout icons, the script sampler, and then the mixed metal bottom washi, which I just think is so pretty. So that is going to be the first, and then the second is actually like, I think probably Kirsten's the most enthused she's ever been about a foil bundle, because she even put it in my little list online, like where she puts how many we have of them. She put it as the most beautiful purple she's ever seen or something like that. And honestly, it is like the most icy, like beautiful. It's like a satin finish, so beautiful, like lilac almost. So I'll have to think of like a fun name for this. So this is also in the Twinkle format. So there's the deco, the food and drink doodles, the circle icons, again 6 of this page here with header, half cut header and full boxes, cutout icons, the scripts, and then it is so beautiful. I have a feeling that I'm gonna actually need to grab a couple extra of these for myself. Usually I bring home like 2 of them because I'm trying to like keep my collection at home a little bit tame, but I feel like this one's gonna be so pretty with so many spring kits. And also this one too, because I do love using mixed metal. Whenever I feel like it's appropriate, I feel like I have to like do it. You know what I mean? Like if it can be a mixed metal moment, it's gonna be a mixed metal moment. Let's go ahead and go through the foil releases, which I mentioned last week whenever I showed Blast Off, that there is going to be a new like design that I feel like would go perfectly with that because of the stars and the moons and that. So I am going to be coming out with, like I said, new like foil collections, I don't know, designs, I guess. So these are the star and moon design, and like I said previously, I am discontinuing / revamping star, heart, and star, heart, and what's the other one that I'm revamping? Oh, and then the magical one, so the Mickey head one, are all getting revamps. So those are on sale, I think 50% off ish right now, so definitely get a hold of those, especially if you really love those designs. They will be coming in a new like look soon. So let's go ahead and go through these. So first thing is, let's show me this so I can see the symbols. So this is the star moon pattern, and it does come in gold, silver, rose gold, hollow, and also sparkly hollow. So all 5 foils here, and I just love this pattern so much. It matches so many spreads, way more than you think it would actually. And then also the confetti does come in all the same foils, and I'll go ahead and show you guys that in the silver, matches perfectly. There is also deco for the moons because we are reformatting, like I said, the stars, so the new stars will be coming very soon. So then you have the full boxes, which has the 4 normal full boxes here, and then these are the designs. They are super cute, and again in all 5 foils. So that is the new star moon, and I'm actually kind of debating on putting all of these in one listing just so you guys can find them easier, but I haven't quite decided like what I want to do as far as, you know, the listing. So I'm going to think about that a little bit more, but they'll all be in the new release section on Wednesday at noon Eastern. But I'm so excited for that. Again, I think it looks so good with Blast Off and so many other collections, especially going into spring and also Valentine's. So cute. Then I do have some winter quotes. So these come in the 4 foils. So you do have hollow gold, rose gold, and silver, and I'm showing you it in silver. So it says, but first hot cocoa, there's no place like home, let it snow, and walking in a winter wonderland. And then there's also this quote here, which is, let's get cozy, hello winter, warm winter wishes, and baby it is cold outside, or it's cold outside. So that is all the foil releases, so many, and let's go ahead and get into the kits. So this is Wildest Ride, which is inspired by the Disney Loungefly collection, and I think it turned out so cute. I really love these colors. It is a mini kit exclusive, So cute. This is in the new format, which I just think is so pretty and perfect with the glitter headers included. And I love this bottom washi. I just think it's so fun. It's going to look so cute when it's all laid down. It does have the clear with the black script freebie, which I believe all of them do. Yes, all of them do this week. And then for the add-ons, there is the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip. There's the option if you want to add on the Fashion Girls. And then there's also the option if you want to add on the label sampler. So that is the first kit. And I just think it's so pretty. I love these colors. I just feel like you don't see them very often, which makes them unique. And I think it's going to be a really pretty spread once it is all laid out. So that is Wildest Ride. Then I'll show you guys Let It, oops, just through that. Let It Snow, which also does come in a mini kit. So let me go ahead and go through the ultimate. This one is a really pretty like stay at home winter, which I just think is so perfect. And I love these colors. They're very muted and kind of like neutral, like lightly cool toned, I guess. There is marble in the background, so you can use marble multicolor. I will let you guys know that the current version of marble multicolor and also the millennial pink multicolor will be coming down within the next few weeks because I do have 6 multicolor colorways, new format coming with 11 pages per colorway, which is insane. But I got like into it and like went hard because I was inspired. So I think the boys just got home. I knew as soon as I was gonna film. This is super pretty and I love the silver throughout. I am just so obsessed with the new format. I love it so much. In the next kit, I'll show you guys. I did kind of change up this page, but I'll show you in the next kit. So, and you guys let me know what you think. And then the bottom washi with that sweater pattern. Again, the clear with black script freebie. And I just think this is so pretty. And I think the colors are really fun for like January. January, February would be really pretty. And the pink's really cute too. So that is Let It Snow. It has the option if you want to add on the 15mm, the Fashion Girls, and then also, oh, so cute, the label sampler. I just really love these colors. I think silver with this, ooh, or sparkly hollow would be really pretty as well. And then last but not least, we do have Believe, which Believe also does come in a mini kit. Let me go ahead and show you guys the ultimate kit. And we are still doing unlimited stock for the first 48 hours. I don't know if I mentioned that in the last video, but this is a super, super cute alien set. And if I didn't do this art, I think Kirsten and Jess would really come for me. So I think it's so cute. I love the girls. I love the green and the pink together. I'm a huge fan of green and pink together. I think it's super pretty, especially when it's like baby and mint. Ugh, so cute. And then you have the extra full boxes over here. You have your deco page. I love everything about this. The glitter headers, the half boxes. And then I tried this out. So I was thinking there was quite a few little things in there. So I was wondering if you guys like the addition of extra fancy labels, because I feel like that definitely goes farther. I know a lot of people really love fancy labels. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. But I still think there's like plenty of little things. I think there's actually probably 4 more than there used to be. And then there'll be 8 more, what are these things called? Fancy labels than there was. So I think it turned out really cute. And I love this bottom washi with the gradient. I'm a huge fan of like gradient, especially whenever all 4 colors are just this beautiful. You really have to. The purple, the pink, and the green, it's just like, it's a vibe, it's everything. And I'm not into aliens at all, but I'm like, should I use this in March? I think it would be a really good March kit, or even April or May. Like, it's a good like springtime with the colors. There is the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip, and there's also the option if you want to add on the label sampler, and then there's also the option if you want to add on the Fashion Girls. So that is everything for this week. I hope that you guys like this week's new releases. I know there's a lot. They'll all be in the new release section Wednesday at noon Eastern for you guys. Again, we do have Believe, we have Let It Snow, and then also Wildest Ride. We do have the 2 foil bundles, which is the prettiest purple that Kirsten's ever seen, the mixed metal foil, and then also we do have the 2 winter quote sheets, and then the new star and moon. I don't even know what to call this. I guess it's just like a design, like a foil design, a foil like core base pieces. I don't know. It's beautiful. I love it, and I cannot wait to use it, especially with Blast Off with Sparkly Hollow is going to be amazing. But I digress. I hope that you guys like this week's new releases, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one.